You are just starting on Amazon and you cannot sell anything, so you cannot make any money. We are going to change this today. I'm going to show you to get Ungated in the toys category, as well as a lot of brands in the toys category, which is Lego, Mattel, Hasbro. I said Lego, right? Funko. I think I said everything. Barbie, Disney, all those brands, okay? And you are going to be able to use the last strategy that I'm going to share with you to engage pretty much anything on Amazon, all right? So let's just get started. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangonza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon, just like this one, to help you with your business. So if you are new and if I helped your business, support mine by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? That way you'll be recommended more videos and you'll become a 7-figure seller as well. Let's start, okay? So Legos, okay? The toys category. So just before we actually get into this, if you do not know what getting Ungated is, you need to submit to Amazon documentation showing that you have acquired 10 units of a product in a category to be Ungated, or of a brand to be Ungated, right? So there's more requirements, but nobody cares about those requirements, okay? The truth is that most of the time, if you've been selling for a little while at least, you are going to be able to get Ungated with anything, even if you do not have 10 units, okay? But if you are just starting, maybe it's a good idea to get a real invoice, because it's going to increase your chances to get Ungated, all right? So to get one, the best way to do it, and let me not just start with Legos first, but let me just start with first. If you want to get Ungated in toys, there's two big wholesalers that you can use, okay? You can use EE Distribution and Sheffer.com, okay? EE Distribution, I would not recommend that you use them, because they make you waste a lot of time, because they want to get you through what is it called? They pretty much want you to do an orientation, okay? And when I actually got Ungated for toys, I said, you know what? I do not want to go through your orientation. Just let me order a product. That's all I want. They did not want to, so I kind of fight with them about this. So yeah, it's a lot of work just to place one order, okay? I think finally, like at the end, I still did it, but like it's not worth it. I would go to Sheffer.com. You can get pretty much anything that you want. So you just get a toy. You just make sure that you can find the product on Amazon. So let's say you want to Ungate. Let me see. Let me just take some random product. Let's just take this, okay? Hasbro Marvel. And of course, choose the cheapest product, okay? So let me just see. So you pretty much want to find this product on Amazon, right? So let me take it right here. Let's see if it's going to find it. And yeah, it is right there, okay? So what you're going to do after this is you are going to go back to Amazon. You are going to enter the ASIN, okay? You can find the ASIN of the product. Boom, right there. Let's open the product on Amazon. By the way, this was seller amp, okay? But you can just copy and paste the name of the product on Amazon and you're going to find the product, okay? You do not have to use seller amp like I did. You can just literally take the title. So by doing this, you go right there, you copy this, boom, Control C, Control V in the search bar. You're going to find the product, okay? It's just the way I did it is a little bit faster. So you take this right there, which is called the ASIN. You enter this thing into Seller Central, into your app, okay? And you see if you are gated, if you need to request approval for this product, and if you can request approval for this product. If you can, that's good. You just take the product, you order 10 of the product, and it's right here. You place an order for 10, and that's it. You will get an invoice with this product. Just be aware that Sheffer charge on top of what you pay for the shipping, okay? So just be aware of that. I want to add, before we actually get into the next method that you can use to get Ungated, you can literally stop the video right here if you want to, but I'm going to share some other methods that are a little bit easier and that will help you actually get Ungated for every single thing, okay? So on Sheffer, you are going to be able to Ungate the toys category. You're not going to be able to Ungate Lego. You're going to be able to Ungate Funko, I believe, Disney, Hasbro for sure, Mattel for sure. And make sure that, for example, with this product, you can kill two birds with one stone. You can Ungate Hasbro and Marvel at the same time. Okay, Marvel is going to be Ungated, Marvel or Marvel Legends when you start. So make sure that you choose product. A great way to do it is to do Nerf gun, because Nerf gun often have like a lot of brands that you can Ungate. For example, right here with this Nerf product, you can Ungate Hasbro, Nerf, and Minecraft just with one product, okay? You can submit the same invoice for those three brands. It is going to work, okay? Of course, as always, when you submit a non-gating invoice for the first time, it may not work. You need to resubmit multiple times, okay? Especially if you work with brands like Nike and all that stuff, but we are talking just about the toy category right now. Also, the toy category. you need to be aware that the toy category is a category that is going to open up by itself, okay? So if you do not have the funds to actually ungate this category, do not do it. Just wait. Keep selling other categories. Ungate stuff that is more important, like Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, Puma. Ungate those, sell those brands, and then the toy category is going to open up by itself. Especially if you do retail arbitrage, you're just going to Ross and stuff, and you sell Nike stuff. Once you reach $10,000 on sale in sales, you're gonna be like, this category is going to open up by itself, and same, the brands, like 90% of the brands in the toys category are going to open up by themselves, okay? So no need to actually no need to actually ungate every single brand in the category at all, but if you want to do it, same thing is right there. Hasbro and Play-Doh at the same time, you can get ungated in both, okay? So that's if you want to use a wholesaler. If you absolutely want to get ungated in toys, by the way, follow me on social, showing up right there. Follow me on social, especially Instagram. This is where I'm the most active. Yeah, if you want to get ungated, best way to do it this way. All right, that's for the toys category. Now, if you want to ungate Lego, you can do it from EE distribution, but it's a little bit tricky. With Lego, you can literally order something on the Lego website. You submit. I think they send you a packing slip. I did not do it this way. Either you use the packing slip that they sent you, or you use email confirmation. Email confirmations work for ungating, especially if you've been selling for a little while. Okay, you do not need a real invoice to get ungated. If you've been selling for a little while, they will approve order confirmation. They do not care about that. All right. So it's the exact same process. You find this product. Let's say you want to do this one. Okay, you find this one, $5.99. You can sell it for $12.99 on Amazon, so you can potentially make a profit if it actually sells fast enough. The truth is, you need to remember, when you get ungated, do not look at it thinking that you are going to make a profit. You are not actually going to make a profit, okay? It's $4.81, the max cost. But do not look at ungating trying to make a profit, okay? You are just spending money to actually be able to sell the brand, okay? It's a business expense. Do not think that you're going to make money. On some case, you can make money. If you use order confirmation, you can definitely make money. But if you want to get an invoice, if you are using all those big name all those big name wholesalers, you are probably not going to make probably not going to make a profit with this, okay? So next, the best way to do it, in my opinion, the Amazon to Amazon method. Because yes, you can actually buy stuff from Amazon and resell it on Amazon and get ungated this way. So how you would do it? So you would go to the Keeper product finder, just go to keeper.com/#!finder, and then you are going to scroll down. All right, just scroll down, go to the category, because you want to get a category, and you do boom, 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 boom. You find the toys and games category, okay, and you just run a search. That's it, okay? Next thing you're going to do, you don't care if the product sells fast. You want to find the cheapest product possible so you can ungate for the least amount of money possible. So to do this, you would go to the buy box price, to the new price, I should say. So let's find this column, boom, right there, new price, current price. We want to find the cheapest product, and of course $0. It is not going to work. So what we could do in that case, we want products that are at least $1. Okay, the new price is at least $1. Boom. Okay, we have 6 million products that did not show up anymore. And so yeah, you have literally products for $1 right there. So you will need to check, of course, check something. So yeah, best example, you can get it in Pokemon and the toys category with this product. The only thing is that they only have 3 in stock. Okay, so it is not going to work. You need to find something where you have 10 in stock available, and I have a whole video. There's a little bit more nuance with Amazon to Amazon method. You cannot order with Prime, okay? Get a business Amazon account and order from the business Amazon account, order 10 units. And the real reason why you want to use a business Amazon account is because you can bypass the quantity limit, if there's a quantity limit on the number of products that you can actually buy, So let's look a little bit deeper so I can find a product for you to actually get it. Maybe this one, this Yu-Gi-Oh card. Let's look at it. And this guy only has 1 in stock, so no, it's not going to work. But I'm pretty sure that, yeah, probably like those cards, you're probably going to find one that you can actually use to get ungated if somebody got 10 in stock. But maybe it's going to be a little bit hard to find somebody that has 10 of these in stock, because I guess that they open up a booster and they just break them down and they sell the cards one by one, and so they're probably not going to get 10 of them. So yeah, maybe cards are not the way to go. Gaming cards are not the way to go. But you will need to find something else, you know, who knows. Let's open the last card. 2 in stock. Okay, yeah. It's not going to work this way. Let's go a few page down. Who knows? This trading card, Batman trading card, see all buying options. Let's see. Boom. $1.49. No, it's not going to work. But yeah, you get the idea. Find a cheap product this way. Maybe we would need to actually increase the price to make sure to find a product that's not a card. Let's say $3. Okay, let's start from $3. We have a little bit less product. And same thing, you know, we find something in the toys category. Boom. Let's keep looking. Okay, these accessories, who knows? Maybe we can use them. And of course, always, yeah, we can potentially use this. Okay, but $4.79 shipping. Yeah, I guess maybe not. But yeah, just make sure that the product that you choose is a product that you are getting in, that you can actually request approval. Okay, do not get something that is restricted and that you are not going to be able to actually request for approval in. Okay. Also, when you're getting the category, you are probably going to need to submit pictures of the product. Okay, so be ready for that. And that's pretty much what you get on Getting in Toys. Okay, if you need more help, you can come on the Discord server, but I have a whole playlist with Ungating videos. Okay, the only category that I did not do, I believe, was the toys category. It is finally done. So yeah, if you want to learn more about Amazon, make sure to subscribe, watch this video that appears on the screen, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow because I release a new video daily about selling on Amazon. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.